Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today, we have an opportunity from the company Decatur Performance and Fitness. They're looking for a fitness sales associate. It pays from $12 to $15 an hour. We're Decatur Performance and Fitness, a quickly growing fitness and nutrition company that helps its clients crush their personal health and wellness goals. We are in dire need of an additional remote fitness salesperson to help us serve our community. Let's jump right ahead to the good stuff. Our small business is located just outside of Seattle, Washington. We are a little biased, but we are pretty sure we are the coolest place to work for. And we truly believe that we're changing people's lives by not only getting them insane results, but also teaching them how to sustain those results so they never have to feel lost again. Benefits: you can work anywhere. This work is fun, dynamic, and rewarding. Free remote membership is included. Flexible shifts and compensation structure. Compensation is up to $115 an hour base plus commissions. We like to have fun, be healthy, and reduce stress. When you feel good, our clients will feel it. While we expect you to work efficiently and get things done, we focus on open communication and getting things done right the first go round. You will learn and grow with us, not under us. You won't find that at your corporate sales gig. Responsibilities. You will need to be the type of person who gets joy out of communicating with all sorts of different people. You will need to get giddy about getting things done. Every day, you will have a bag out a list of stuff, fun stuff, important stuff, necessary stuff. You will follow up with leads, nurture them, and get them scheduled for sales calls. On those calls, it's time to shine. You use your ears and listen to their goals, their dreams, and their struggles, and be responsible for them to commit to themselves by joining our unique coaching program to get results. You will be on the computer a lot, so an understanding of the basics will be required. You will be on the phone a lot, so you need to enjoy talking with people and getting directions. We offer programs for ages 13 to adult. You must be able to go off script and communicate to all ages with all different goals. We want you to be meticulous in your work. We're looking for a good, fun person who gets things done. In short, your job is to give our clients an awesome experience and to have fun at work. Who wants a job that isn't fun? Our gym is laid back, fun, and casual, but we do expect professionalism and punctuality always. Qualifications: must have above average energy, an edge, be passionate about fitness, a fast learner, a team player, no ego, dependable, and want to improve the quality of people's lives. A positive attitude, an outgoing personality are our requirement for this job. Exceptional sales, communication, and customer service skills are required. Goal-oriented and the desire to earn a professional wage is a must. Ability to learn and use our lead sales and coaching software system. You need to be someone who feels good by making other people feel good. There's part-time and full-time available from 12 to 15 base per hour. The schedule is 8-hour shift, day shift, evening shift, holidays off, Monday through Friday, some weekend availability during lunches. There's supplemental pay such as bonus pay and commission pay. Education: bachelor's is preferred, not required, and sales experience up to 2 years preferred. License certification, at least your driver's license is preferred. And if you would like to apply for this particular position, I'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, just subscribe to this channel because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day so you find the perfect one that fits you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.